Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine. Okay.
Fine.
So, children, before Onam, we are going to complete this compare till 16th questions. Okay. So, we will start with our math workbook. Before that, how we were comparing the numbers. I told you in the last class, 2 steps. So, first step, you have to count the number of digits. Okay. You have to count the number of digits in the numbers. And you know that number with less number of digits means few or fewer number. That is fewer digits. That number is the smaller number. Okay. The number with less number of digits. That number is smaller number. And if both the numbers have same number of digits, both the numbers have same number of digits, what you have to do? You have to start from the highest place value. Okay. From the highest place value, you have to start comparing. If the highest place value, they are same, what you'll do? You will go to the next place value, next higher place value. Understood?
10,000.
Okay. So if 10,000 place we are comparing, if they are same, what you have to do? You have to compare the thousands place. If thousands place is same
100.
numbers, what you will do? You will go to the 100 place. Okay. So like that only we are comparing the numbers. Okay, children. So we will take question number 10. Abel, take out question number 10 and please read. Unmute and read. Unmute. Okay.
Find the smallest number by comparing 63,902
And
and
46, 329. Okay. So you have to find out which is the small number. So which place Abel you have to compare?
46.
Wait, Abel, let him complete. Which place we have to compare first? 10,000 place.
10,000.
10,000 place. 10,000 place. Tell me the numbers. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. So which number is small? 6 or 4?
4.
4. So that number is smaller. So which is the smaller number? You can write 4, 6, 3, 2, 9. Yes, Sanahin. Yes.
Ma'am, I completed 11.
1 minute, children. Please wait. Okay. Yes, Sanahin. I cannot hear.
Page number.
Page number. Page number 23. Page number 23. Question number 10. Can we start?
Yes.
Page number.
Yes.
Page 23. 23. Question number 10. So you have to find the smallest number. And who told me the answer? Abel told me. We have to compare the 10,000 place. So 4 is smaller. So 4, 6, 3, 2, 9 is the smallest number. And how to place the comma? From the right side after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits, you have to place the comma.
After 46.
After 46. Okay. Aditya, read question number 11.
Which of the following is the smallest?
Smallest. Which of the following is smallest? And
From
all the digits are 5 digits. 10,000 place.
70,266.
1 minute, Aditya.
76,260. 70,662. 72,600.
Okay. First 10,000 place. All the digits are same. 7. 7.
Same.
So what you have to do? You have to compare the thousands place. Tell me the smallest number.
0.
0. Okay. So which number is small?
0.
Tell me the number. 7, 0.
7 0.
Okay. 70,000. 70,266 is the smallest number. Smallest number. All of you please mute. I will call one by one. Otherwise, nobody will understand. So, children, you have to write only the number which is the smallest and which is the greatest. Okay, question number 12. Nihal, please unmute and read question number 12.
Find the greater number comparing.
Find the greater number. And in 10,000 place, we have 8 and we have 9. So, which number is bigger? 9? 96250 is the biggest number. Okay, John Nihal, that sound was not audible. Okay, but I understood he was saying that answer. 96250. Okay, so that number is 96,250 is the greater number. Okay, I will call one by one. I didn't call. Okay. Adidev, please unmute and read question number 13. Adi, na. 1 minute. Adinath. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read question number.
Compare and find the smaller number.
Okay, compare and find the smaller number. Okay.
81,746 and 81,859.
59. Okay. So, children, from question number 13, it's a short answer. So, we will write one step. Okay. We will write one step. Okay, Juwan. Tell me which place you have to compare. First, we will compare 10,000 place. What are the numbers? Tell me, Juwan. Louder.
27,652 and 27,000.
No, I'm asking 13B. Not 13A. 13. Question number 13A. Okay. So, Prajwal, please unmute and speak. Tell me the thousands, 10,000 place. Which number is in 10,000 place?
8.
8. So, children, both the numbers have 8. So, they are same. So, what do you have to do? Go to the next place. 1,000 place. Which are the numbers?
1.
1 and 1. So, they are same again. So, which place you will go again?
7.
7 and
8.
8. So, here 100 place, that is different. So, which place we are comparing? 100 place. So, children, you have to write this step. How to write this step? As 700. Children, without writing the step, this question is very easy. But since this is short answer, we are writing one step. So, which place that is different here? 100s place. So, you are comparing 100 place. So, 7 and 8 we are comparing. 700s is less than 800s. 800s, comma, you have to write the smaller number. Which one? 81746. 81746 is the, which is the question you have to find out? Smaller. Smaller number is the smaller number. See, we are writing only one step because this is short answer question. We have to write the reason. Which place? We compared 10,000 place and 1,000 place. Both 10,000 and 1,000, they are same for both the numbers. So which one, which place is different? 100 place. So we are comparing 100 place. Then we found out that 7 and 8. So we are writing as 700s is less than 800s. Which number is the smallest? 81,746 is the smaller number. Okay, children, 13B is also same. Find out the smaller number that you can do as homework. Question number B is homework. Okay, question number 14. Barida, please read. Question number 14.
Compare and find the number.
Greater
A.
number. Okay, here, question number 13, we found out which number smaller. But in Varada, please don't make. I will ask you again. Okay, wait. So here we had to find the greater number. Okay, Varada, in question number 14a, which place we had to compare?
98,000.
No, which place? In both the numbers, 10,000 place is 9. So they are same. So what you will do? You go to
100.
thousands place. So that is also 8 and 8, same. So which place you will go again?
100.
100. So what are the numbers in 100 place? 8 and?
1,
8 and?
8 and 5.
5. Very good. So children, what you have to write? We are going to compare which place as, tell me the step, as 8 hundreds
800.
less than or bigger than 5? 8 hundreds greater than. Yes, greater than 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds. Which is the greater number, Varda?
98,870.
Okay, very good. So children, we have to find here which number? Greater number. So when we compared, only the hundreds place that was having different. 1,000 and 10,000, they are same. So we compared 100 place. So we are writing the reason as 800 is greater than 500. 98,817 is the greater number. Is the greater number. Okay. So question number 13, like B is 14. You had to B, you can do as homework. Same like that. We have to find out the greater number. Okay, children. Can you do that as homework?
Yes.
Yes, same like that. You have to write one step. Okay. Which place is different? Find out. Then write which is the bigger or smaller. Then you have to find the greater number. Okay, question number 14. B. Okay, Gavri Nanda PS. Can you please unmute and read question number? Question number 15. 1-5. Please unmute, Gavri. Not able to do? Okay, Rohit. Can you please unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 15?
Compare the number in the given
Pairs. Okay. Find the
smallest.
greater and smallest number. Okay. Children, look here. Question number 13, we have to write only the smaller number. Question number 14, you have to write only the greater number. But question number 15, you have to write both smaller and greater number. Understood? Same like this, we have to compare and write both smaller and greater number. Okay, children, can you do that? I will do one question number 15a, then you can do alone question B, C, and D. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so Laya, can you read 16a? What are the numbers?
83,400.
Question number 15a.
69,000
69,013
is bigger than
63,872. Okay, tell me which place we have to compare. 10,000, they are same. 6 and 6. So,
thousands.
1,000. Very good. 9,000 and 3,000. So, which is big? 9 is big.
9,000.
Okay. So, shall we write, children?
Yes.
So we are going to write question number 15A. So here, children, we have to compare the thousands place. So 15A, here question number A, we have 9,000. 9,000 is greater than 3,000. Greater than 3,000. Thousands. So which is the greater number? The number with 9 in the thousand. So that is 69013. 69013 is the 69013 is the greater number. Is the greater number. And children, we have only two numbers. One is greater. So automatically the other number will be smaller. So you can write that also. 69,013 is the greater number. If this is greater number, automatically the other number. Which is the other number? 63872. 63872 is the which number? Smaller number. Smaller. Why here we are doing both greater and smaller? Because the question is to find the, compare and find the greater and smaller number. Children, here understood? We are finding question number A. Here we have to compare the thousands place and we find out which is the smaller and greater number. Understood? Yes, children? Okay, Isra, can you read question number B? 16B.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 16. Not 15B. Yes. Which number is that? Yes, Isra.
42,184.
Yes, 42,184.
84
And?
And 46,248.
248. Okay, can you tell me which place we have to compare? Which number is in 10,000 place?
4.
4. So both the numbers have 4. So they are same. So we'll go to which number? Which place value? Huh?
1,000.
1,000 place. Very good. Which number is there in 1,000 place?
2.
2
Two.
and other number has? 6. Okay. So it's, we are comparing 2,000 is less than 6,000. So which is the smaller number? Isra?
42,100.
42,184 is the smaller number. And the other number, that is that?
Largest.
Largest number. Okay, children. Very good. So we can complete that.
Yes.
Okay. So question number 15A we have written. And like that question number B, we are writing. We are comparing. So Isra told all the steps. She told as 2,000 is 2,000 is less than 6,000 6,000. So children, here look at the screen. Here we can write 6,000. As 2,000 is less than 6,000, now you can write the smaller number and greater number. We have already discussed, Isra told all the answers. So which is the smaller number? the number with 2 in thousands place. That is 42184. 42184 is the smaller number. We have only 2 numbers. So if one is smaller, the other one will be greater number. Smaller number. And which is the next number? Write that and write 46248. 46248. How to read this number? How to read this number? Ameya, please read this number. Larger number, please unmute. Where Ameya? Okay, Henry, please unmute and read this number, Henry. Henry?
Which number?
This number. Read this number, which is the largest number, 46248. How to read this number name? 46.
46,248
is the greater number. Okay, very good. Is the greater number. Greater number. So children, here we are writing the steps, which place value, that is we are comparing. If the 10,000 place they are same, you have to go to the thousands place, and when we are comparing, it is easy for us to find the smaller number and greater number. Okay, question, Arfan. It's not, I think some connection problem for Arfan. Yes, Anubama, finished? Anselin? Okay, children, can you read question number, who can sit? Amil, read question number C. 15. C. 15C. Yes, Amir. Which are the numbers?
598.
59899. How to read that number? 59? 59?
59,000.
Very good. 59,899. Okay, what about 71,037? Tell me which number is small. Compare the 10,000 place. One have 5, other one is 7. Which number is small? Hmm. 59,899. That is small number. Okay, so which is the greater number? 71,037. Okay, children. So we will write that now. All of you, please take question number. Question number C. Question number C. So children, here we have 5 in 10,000 place, and the other one is 7. So we can write 59,000 together. So as 59,000, 59,000. Children, we are writing 5,000, 10,000. 59 is in thousands period, and other one here we have 71 in thousand period. So it is clear that 59,000 is less than 71,000. So Amil told that clearly 59,899 is the smallest number. 59,899 is the smaller number. And 71, that is 71,000 71,000 and 37. 37 is the greater number. Is the greater number. Okay, now Adidev. Yes, Adidev, can you read question number D? 15, last question, that is D. Yes, Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number D.
40,768 and
40,768 and
46,428.
46,428. Okay, can you tell me which place we have to compare?
10,000 place.
Why? Because 10,000 place. Which is the digit in 10,000 place?
4.
4. So both the numbers have 4
Same.
in 10,000 place. So which place we have to compare? We have to go to the next place, that is
6,000.
thousands place. Okay, Adidev, now tell me what are the digits there?
0 and 6.
0 and 6. Very good. So which number is smaller? Tell me.
0.
0 means the number. Tell me the number.
40,768.
768 is the smaller number.
Number.
And what about the greater?
46,428.
46,428. Okay, Juvan. Yes, Juvan. Yes, tell me. What's your doubt?
My net connection gone. That's why I didn't write the notes.
Okay, no problem. I will send that. I will send this after. Okay. I think the network problem, that's why you were not able to answer. Okay. So children, what we are going to do? Last question, 15D. D. We are going to write the last question D. So Adidev told me that 0,000 we have to compare. 0,000 0,000 is less than 6,000. 6,000. So we had to write 40,768. 40,768 is the smaller number. Is the smaller number. And next one, what is the other number? That is 46,428. 46,428. 46,428. Can put the comma after 46. 46,428 is the greater number. Is the greater. Children, you have to read the question properly and check whether we have to find out greater number or smaller number. Here in question number 15, we have to find both smaller and greater number. And when we do the place value, it will help us to do faster, to find the smaller number and greater number faster. Okay, children. Question, now it's the time to wind up. Before that, can you read question number 16? Same. Okay, who can read faster question number 16? Yes, Varada.
Compare the number in the given pairs. Find the smaller and the greater number.
Okay, is question number 15 and 16 same? Yes? Yes, children. Question number 15 and 16, they are same. What do you have to do? You have to compare and you have to find the smaller number and greater number. So question number 16, can you do as homework, children?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Question number 15, how you have done?
Yes.
Same like 15 and 16, they are same. So we can do as homework. So children, by evening today, you can do 15 and 15 we have already completed. 15.
Notes.
I will send the notes in the evening. Before that, you have to do question number 16 alone. Okay, what do you have to do? You have to compare and you have to write which is the smaller number and which is the greater number. And I will send the notes by evening. Before that, you have to do question number 16 as homework. Okay, children? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Thank you and happy Onam to all of you.
Happy Onam.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye.